You're going to love these shortcuts. Here are 5 useful tricks you didn't know about on the iPhone. I'm with the CyberGuy, and I have tips and tricks for all your devices over at CyberGuy.com. Be sure to sign up for my free newsletter while you're there. Did you know about these 5 hidden iPhone tips that you can start using right now? Well, first, if you're holding your iPhone in one hand and want to make reaching the full keyboard easier, use this one-handed typing feature. Just hold down the emoji button and select which way you'd like the keyboard to align towards. Your keyboard will then squish in a bit so it's easier to reach the keys. Just tap the big arrow when you want it back to normal. Next, use iPhone's Spotlight feature to search anything on your iPhone or on the internet. You can either tap the search icon on the home screen above your docked apps or swipe down from the center of your screen to reveal the Spotlight search bar. You can find quick information, files on your phone, and so much more. Another way iPhone makes searching easier is through the Photos app. You can use this search button right here to search for dates, locations, holidays, even pets and words. Next, iCloud Keychain is a super helpful tool on your iPhone that stores all your passwords in one place. This is especially good if you use Safari browser a lot. Your iPhone will save your account info so you can quickly log in next time. Finally, if you don't have a scanner at home, no problem. Easily scan documents with a Notes app by tapping the camera icon and tapping Scan Documents. Your phone's camera will capture multiple pages, which you then can save to your files as a PDF to send to someone else. For your everyday tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.